Hi group, this is the Joescnc 4x4 hybrid rack and pinion modification that was done by me, Bill Griggs. This features a new Z-axis motor and coupler. The coupler is from CNC router parts. It also has dual bearings on the Z-axis with the flange bearings. I modified this one now to have plastic parts. My original had MDF parts. All of the Z-axis components have been updated to include the bearing mod, which has 4 bearings on the top and bottom. As you can see, each of the axes has one of the CNC router part rack and pinion drives. It's a very easy mod, and several guys paved the way to make this mod fairly pain-free and provide a lot of information that anybody could switch over. Coming around to the back of the machine, you can see the back of the Z-axis carriage. It has one of the rack and pinion units on it. I'm still working on getting all of my wire routing the way I like it, but so far so good. As you can see, most of the motor wires come either through the extrusion or up over in this energy chain from IGUS. Comes down and out. One of the cords is for the power for the router. We'll see how that I got the rack from More Gear. They shipped it very quickly. I had it in just 3 days. Very easy to drill. Each one of these button head screws, I had to drill a 1/4 inch size hole through the rack, and then they used a 1/2 inch end mill to put recesses in so that the head of the bolts wouldn't bang up against the side of the carriage on either side. It's very tight fit there. On the end of each one of the extrusions, I put a little block which is made out of HDPE. These blocks are a last ditch effort to stop the carriage from running off in case of a malfunction. They work very well so far. Like I said, I've got one on each corner of the machine. Did earlier today was to make marks and measure just how accurately the machine moved. As you can see, these 2 pencil lines on the extrusion are exactly 2 inches apart. You can put that into mock on this one of the setting screens, and it will automatically adjust your axes to that distance. And so I did that on all the axes, and they were right on. My current cutting air envelope is 62.5 inches by 48.